babe. Greetings, earthlings, and welcome back. My name is Kasey if you are new here. So I have to admit, I'm naturally not a morning person. I have to create routines and really plan this shit out. So today I'm gonna share with you my tasks that I do every single morning. Good morning. No.
This is breakfast, actually.
And you're not having a soda. I said no.
Oh my god, give it up! That's realistic. Mom! Mom! Oh!
So after I have my coffee, I jump right into task 1, and that is brushing my teeth.
Learning on the low, my business.
Moving on to task 2, if I don't wash my face before working out, I'm basically just sweating up all of the oil, dirt, debris, or any makeup that is on my skin, which can clog my pores, which causes me to break out. So I like to get my skin nice and clean. Some mornings I will just simply wash my face, and others I will do a mask. So today I'm going to be using my new Foreo UFO Smart Mask Treatment. So I feel like I've been testing skincare products long enough to know that there aren't many skincare products that deliver instant results. Not saying that they're bad, it's just that most treatments take some time to work their magic before you see a difference. The UFO promises results in just 90 seconds. And if you're like me, I was like, okay, that's too good to be true, but you guys just wait until you see my skin after. Today I'm going to be using the Make My Day, and this is a hydrating anti-pollution mask with hyaluronic acid and red algae.
Secure the UFO activated mask to your device. Use a circular motion as you gently glide UFO across your face and neck, distributing mask essence evenly. Allow your mind and body to slowly awaken, and a gentle warmth prepare your skin to receive the full benefits of this complex.
It's warm, feels so nice.
Relax and enjoy a soothing facial massage as T-sonic pulsations infuse moisture into your skin for a radiant, healthy-looking complexion. As heat gradually decreases, the anti-pollution formula is locked into skin, while the green LED helps reveal a brighter, more even skin tone for an all-day glow. You're coming to the end of your treatment. Take a few more seconds to relax and enjoy, and prepare to feel refreshed. Your smart mask treatment is now complete.
I really wish you guys could touch my face right now. I think you'd be blown away at what this can do in just 90 seconds. My skin texture has improved, and overall my skin just feels so clean and supple. I'm gonna go ahead and leave more info to this product down below in the description box if you guys are interested. And we are gonna move on to task 3.
Yeah.
Moving on to the next task, and that is reading and journaling. Write in a journal. I recently picked up this book/journal. I'll leave the info down below in the description. But basically, this just provokes clarity, comfort, and gives me a chance to get my priorities straight. Try not to overthink journaling, reflecting, and writing. This is a heavy claim, but it really has made me a better person. I believe our mornings really set the tone for the rest of the day, and we have so many random things floating in our minds, and it's important to channel that energy and to get it out. I call this brain dumping. This helps silence my inner critic, which is our biggest enemy. So writing just helps me sweep away any anxiety. By getting stuff out like anger, envy, procrastination, and just being vulnerable on paper, you can really see, how you're feeling for what it is and get yourself grounded. And once I'm done with journaling and reading, I will hop in the shower, get nice and clean, and then get ready for the day. When picking your 5 tasks, try to pick things that if they were the only things done that day, it would still be a good day. So if you find yourself stumbling through your morning, try to get into a routine, and remember, routines build into habits. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, peace.